Einstein did not fail high school. Bananas are not radioactive. Just like quantum particles aren't affected by your presence or observation, we may live in the age of information, but disinformation is everywhere. In this video, I will go ahead and bust some myths concerning physics. Number 1. Einstein failed high school. Some like to say he failed maths and others high school altogether, but in reality, the guy was a genius and excelled in every subject he studied. The truth about this rumor is that in 1895, at the age of 16, Einstein took the entrance exam for the Swiss Federal Polytechnic, but because they made him take subjects foreign to him like French, he was not admitted immediately. Instead, he spent a year at a Swiss school to improve those subjects. Sticking with Einstein, many say he did not understand quantum mechanics, which is completely false. Not only is Einstein one of the people who founded quantum mechanics, but he got a Nobel Prize for proving the photoelectric effect, showing that light behaves both as a wave and a particle, which is a fundamental pillar in quantum mechanics. It's not that he didn't understand it. Einstein thought quantum mechanics was incomplete, meaning we still have a long way to go. A thought experiment he had about this called spooky action at a distance proves his point of view. Next, we have the old saying that bananas are radioactive, which in reality is an extreme exaggeration. Bananas do possess a minuscule amount of radioactive potassium-40, but rest assured, it takes an astronomical number of bananas to reach what is considered dangerous by radioactive standards. In other words, bananas are completely safe to eat. Last but not least, we have the completely blown out of proportion myth about quantum mechanics being affected by observation, like the case of Schrodinger's cat, which is actually a joke designed to show the absurdity of applying quantum rules to everyday objects. Inside the box, we have a cat and a radioactive atom with a 50% chance of decaying. The box is connected to a Geiger counter that detects radioactive decay. If the counter detects radiation, it triggers a mechanism that releases poison, killing the cat. If no radiation is detected, the cat lives. According to the story, before we open the box, the radioactive atom exists in a superposition, both decayed and not decayed simultaneously. This would theoretically mean the cat is both alive and dead at the same time, which is obviously ridiculous for something as big as a cat. Even though quantum particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, that only happens in extremely low temperatures inside controlled environments, not in a normal room. Quantum systems collapse into single states when they interact with other atoms. It has nothing to do with consciousness or observation. The Geiger counter or the poison mechanism would cause the quantum system to pick a state long before any human peeks inside.